Welcome back. I'm Pete, and you're watching the Custom Car Channel. But we're going to work on a Bobcat today, and it's going to be awesome. Since this one's a Silverado, maybe you guys could just call me the Silverado man. Hey everybody, welcome back. I got another Chevy in today. It's a Silverado. It's a 2006. It's got the 4.8. It's a 1500. It's got 228,781 miles. But anyways, I just took a look at it and I said, well, let's do a video. It's going to be real simple. So this is another one that has the oil pressure sending unit way in the back. This is an easy one to do too, but it's in the back. So I'll bring you guys along and let's get started. So I just looked at it. I haven't done anything, so I'll just show you where I'm at so far. So I just popped the hood just to take a look at the sensor, make sure it was plugged in. It's in the back of the engine. And then before I did that, I read the codes. It doesn't have the P0521, but it has some evap codes. So I'm not worried about those right now. But I have the key on, and the gauge is reading, it's pegged out like at 80. And so I pulled up some scanner data. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go unplug it and see if this changes. Alright guys, hopefully you can see the scanner. I'm going to crawl up here on the ladder. And I'm going to reach back there with my fingers. Hopefully I can do it. And try to unplug that sensor. Alright, I just unplugged it. Yep. So that sensor is bad. Let's go see if the gauge is at 0. So it kind of looks like we're going to be doing another really quick one, changing that sensor out. And I can see the gauge is going down. Let me pull you guys off and we'll go in there. Yeah, so the gauge is down. So yeah, I'm gonna order a sensor, and this time I'm getting a standard one, and I got one from O'Reilly's, and it's a PS308. It's a standard ignition products. We're gonna try this one. One of the guys who watched my video said he used this one. I didn't have no luck. I had good luck with the dormant one, but let's try this one. Let's see what it does. All right, let's go.
It's way back. I can't even see it. I'm just gonna go by feel. Okay, I think I'm on it. I think I want to do one thing though. I want to blow it off.
That should be good. That air blower really likes to leak. Alright, well, I think I'm going to try to break this loose.
You know, maybe I'll get rid of this 3-inch extension. Yeah, that was a little tight. Yeah, I can get it with my fingers now. I don't know if it's going to come out with the socket. And it did not. Let me reach back there and grab it.
So here it is. It looks like quite possibly the original. The gasket's still on there. Let's pull out the screen.
Looks like I slipped the cover out of its spot. It'll be okay. So I got my little screwdriver that I made with the little hook in it. Okay, the screen has been removed on this one and never put back in.
But we have a new screen. I think we should put the new screen in. So somebody's been messing around with this. It does look like we have the identical connector. The sensor is just a little bit different.
So I'm gonna get a little oil for the O-ring.
I can't see back there, so we're doing everything kind of by feel. I have to get my mirror. I'm going to take that. I just put that screen in there a little bit. I'm going to take it back out. I can see down in there with my mirror. I just want to make sure that I'm not imagining something. Alright, I got to get another tool. And I'm going to have to use the mirror at the same time. Holy smokes. I was just going to do a simple video. Alright, I can't get it with this tool.
I'm not sure what to do. Alright, now let me see.
I think I was going down the wrong hole before. The reason I say that is because I could not get the new one down. This is ridiculous. Yeah, I don't think this one takes a screen. That looks like a piece of metal down in there. You know, like the end mill stopped drilling. I'm gonna scrape it one more time, see if this screwdriver goes all the way down in there, because this screen, yeah, this screen has a bottom in it. I don't think it has a screen. Yeah, there's no screen in this one, and you can't put a screen in there.
So that solves that. I'm gonna screw this back in, and we're gonna get done with this.
It definitely is the right threads. I cannot get it to start.
I got it. All right, let's get this baby back together. Alright, I'm just going to grab the bigger ratchet, give it some moderate torque. I don't want to break the sensor. I'm going to try to move this extension more straight. I need a little more. Alright, I'm happy with that. That's probably as tight as it was, or tighter. Now I need to plug that back in. I got it. For a minute there, I didn't think I was going to be able to get it.
Alright, so this 2006 models do not have a screen. At least this one doesn't. You can't put one in there, at least this kind. So, her only complaint was her gauge wasn't working, so let's see if we got that gauge working. Okay, I think we did because the gauge is not going up. It's at 0. Alright, that's different. We had 4 point something before. We have 0.5 now. 0.569 now. I think it's okay to start up. That's running at about 50 psi on the gauge. So, yes sir, that sending unit was bad. We verified it, we diagnosed it, and we verified it, and we fixed it. Alright, so there she is. Oh yeah, she moves a little bit. Alright guys, so there it is. I don't know, that took me, I was a little bit confused whether there was a screen in there or not. I didn't think there was supposed to be on a 2006, but they sent one in the box, so I'll have one now. But yeah, so here we go again. We're doing another one. This is just only a couple months later. Different symptoms. I don't know if this car can pull a 50521 or whatever code, P0521. So I'm not sure about that. I'm not going to check into it, but I am. She wants me to look at, she says she can't put gas in it. It spits back at her or shuts the pump off. And then I did notice we have some evap codes, so I'm going to check some of that stuff out, and I'm going to send it on its way. So, alright guys, thanks for watching, and you can catch me next time, and I'll see you later.